I learned so many different skills that I'll later use in life, and so now I'm prepared for when I graduate.
VE played a major role in what major I want to pursue in college.
My experience here at VE does help me in my job at the insurance company and see what it would really be like in college and going further on in a career.
VE is an educational nonprofit transforming students into business professionals by bringing the workplace into the classroom. VE meets the needs of an evolving workforce and prepares students for college and career success. Students become employees and consumers in a global simulated economy, and teachers become facilitators. VE provides a life-changing experience for students by giving them a chance to simulate the real world through business plan competitions, state, regional, and international trade shows, e-commerce websites to buy and sell products and services, and an annual report to reflect on the whole experience.
It separates you because it teaches you, how to work well with others, how to run an actual business, to maneuver stuff, and learn to delegate everything to not only employees, but even just your peers in general, and you become a family because of that.
Also inspiring students to be managers of their own knowledge and to be critical thinkers and to create businesses that ultimately may lead to a future life in business.
My favorite thing about VE is how it makes me feel. It makes me feel empowered and intellectually capable of doing anything I put my heart and soul into.
Because of this program, I've redefined my outlook on life.
VE is completely different because I'm getting a hands-on experience. I get to experience the business world, how it is, and what it's going to be like in high school, and I don't think many other schools or classes give you that opportunity.
I can't start to list the doors that VE has opened for me, because if I do, I will not stop tonight.
This is a lifetime experience for any student, and that is something that every school in high school should have. It's something that is irreplaceable. It's not where you learn from a book. It's something that you learn by doing, and it is the best high school experience you could give a student, and it's something that I recommend to every high school in the United States.
Go to veinternational.org to join the transformation.